20 small habits to help you get good skin. Happy life sharer. Discover your unique beauty by embracing self-care and nurturing both your inner and outer selves. Hydration is crucial for a glowing complexion. Drink plenty of water to flush toxins and keep skin plump. Always cleanse your skin before bed to remove makeup and impurities, allowing skin to rejuvenate overnight. Moisturizing is essential regardless of skin type. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Protect your skin daily with broad-spectrum sunscreen to prevent aging and reduce cancer risk from UV rays. Eat a healthy diet rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and omega-3 fatty acids to enhance skin health from within. Embrace these habits not out of vanity, but as acts of self-love and respect, ensuring patience and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.